Hey everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how you can use Audacity to make your voice sound like high quality from like the default without effect voice. So let's start up Audacity. It's really very simple. You don't have to do a lot. We'll first do a very basic voiceover so that we have something to work on. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for the second voiceover, so that you have something to compare to. Do is, it's not that we're gonna add noise reduction, which everyone does. I don't like to do this at the very beginning because I think it takes out the raw elements of my voice, and I do that at the end after I've like enhanced everything. So we'll do that later. The first thing that we do is equalization and add like bass and tremble. So first let's add tremble. So select in tremble boost. It is set to 9 dB and click OK. This will increase the tremble in my voice, and then the equalization again, and this time bass boost. This is also 9 dB. Click OK, and yes, so now we have added bass and tremble. We will add compressor. So what compressor really does is it tries to bring out the lows in your voice and match it with the highs so that everything sounds equal, and the viewer doesn't have to change the volume from time to time because of the inconsistency. So this will bring everything to the same level and it will sound equal. Like, these are the basic settings that I never change. I know that if you bring the threshold to really high, it makes the voice sound weird, so I keep this to on the lower side. And these are, really don't know what any of the options here do. So yeah, I'm gonna click OK. Once you've added the compressor, the next step is to add reverb. This is another setting that I don't change very much. What I usually do is go over to manage factory settings, presets, and you have a few options here. The presets might work for you, but the one that I'm working on right now is small room dark, and I've decreased the reverb a little and the stereo width, the tone high, and I've increased the wet gain and dry gain. Increasing this will increase the volume. See how it sounds. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for Audacity video. Okay, so it's not really bad, but I'll still increase the room size a bit. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for Audacity video. Looks like an ass, so if that helps you remember. And I'm gonna click OK. And after I'm done with reverb, I normally go over and normalize so that it brings everything like to an optimal level, so that if it's weight, it will try to bring up things better. It will try to like make this to the point where it's not distorting, I guess. So I'm gonna click OK. And yeah, so after normalizing, I do the voice noise reduction. So I'll select the part of the noise, go to effects, noise reduction. Here the sensitivity, you can play around with this. It depends on the environment that you're in, depends on the amount of noise. Normally keep this to around 2, and then click on get noise profile, and now repeat noise reduction. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for Audacity video tutorial. Hey everyone, this is a second voice. So I'm going to select this again, go over to noise reduction, do this again, so like it's way more cleaner now. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for Audacity video tutorial. Hey everyone, this is a second voiceover so that you have something to compare to. Alright, so I might have not done the reverb correctly, so if you were doing it, then make sure you play around with it a little more so that it's like perfect. And yeah, once you're done with the reverb and noise reduction and all that, I finally do another bass and tremble, but not with the equalization, with just bass and tremble. And here I have bass to -1, so it will reduce the bass to -1 and increase the tremble to 3 and see if it's okay. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for Audacity video tutorial. Sometimes I add more tremble and see what it does. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover for Audacity video tutorial. I export this as a WAV format, and yeah, this is probably it. I don't really do anything else after this. I might not do the bass and tremble a second time, so undo that so it's not like too much. Hey everyone, this is a basic voiceover. Alright, so this was how to improve your voice using Audacity and the few options that I use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more video tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Have a nice day.